The upcoming launch of the ultralight drone, known informally as the DJI Neo 2, is rapidly shaping up to be a major milestone in compact aerial imaging in 2025, with widespread leaks and insider glimpses pointing toward a genuine leap forward in design, portability, and creative performance for creators, vloggers, and travel tech enthusiasts alike. Set for release around late October 2025, the Neo 2 clearly underlines DJI's ongoing dedication to democratizing high-quality aerial filming by delivering a drone that is powerful enough for creator-level cinematic use while remaining lightweight and regulation-friendly for hobbyists, travelers, and content makers. Among the most attractive qualities emerging in the leaks is its reported sub-250-gram weight, an especially important threshold in many regions for registration-free operation, making the Neo 2 a compelling option for both first-time flyers and experienced pilots who demand a fly-more bundle experience without bulk. Beyond simply being light, the machine apparently blends portability with serious performance. The camera system leaks point to a 1.3 CMOS sensor delivering a dramatic increase in dynamic range, reportedly up to 13.5 stops of highlight to shadow detail, offering far greater flexibility when shooting high-contrast scenes. Whether it's a golden hour sweep over coastal cliffs, a low-light forest path, or bright urban rooftop sequences. On the video side, the Neo 2 is purported to support 4K 60 FPS capture, together with 10-bit HDR and a D-Log M color profile, features that until now were largely reserved for higher-end drones or cinema rigs. With 10-bit color depth, creators gain access to over 1 billion color gradations in post-production, enabling richer, more natural-looking footage and greater latitude for color grading and cinematic finishing. For more casual users, this translates to crisper, more vibrant output straight from the camera, reducing the need for heavy post-workflow and making upload-ready flight clips easier than ever before. On the stabilization front, rumors suggest the Neo 2 uses a hybrid approach, a 2-axis mechanical gimbal, paired with advanced software-based Horizon balancing and rock-steady algorithms that deliver ultra-smooth cinematic footage even when the craft is battling crosswinds or executing rapid directional changes in flight. From a design and hardware ergonomics perspective, the Neo 2 appears to have been refined to suit travelers and creators who need a reliable aerial rig that can be packed in a backpack and deployed fast. In fact, the leaks suggest a weight around bar 135G, which would undercut many models in DJI's own mini-series. Despite this featherweight form factor, the drone reportedly still offers impressive durability and flight stability, with a spec of level 5 wind resistance, meaning it can remain steady in winds up to around 10 mph, a high bar for a sub-150G machine, and a real plus for outdoor, on-location shooting. A key upgrade in situational awareness comes via omnidirectional obstacle sensing, with front, rear, side, and downward sensors, giving the Neo 2 an enhanced 360-degree view of its environment. That means smoother, safer flights through tighter spaces, easier use by vlogging teams and travel shooters who may be navigating challenging terrain or spatially confined settings. Battery and power management are also reported to receive a solid boost. The Neo 2's battery pack is said to deliver up to 19 minutes of flight time on a full charge, a modest jump on paper, but significant when paired with the drone's lighter build and efficient power profile, meaning more usable flight time before needing to swap in spares. Additionally, the inclusion of USB-C direct charging adds a layer of convenience perfectly suited to creators on the move. No proprietary cables or bulky charging stations required. Just plug into a power bank or laptop. Top up between takes and get back in the air. Equally important for creators is the transmission and control system. Leaked info points to the Neo 2, featuring DJI's newer O4 transmission protocol, offering a control range up to 10 km and robust, low-latency video downlink and command link performance. Combined with onboard AI-driven flight logic and enhanced mission mode flight planning, this makes the Neo 2 not just a toy-grade drone, but a capable creator-ready aerial rig. You can confidently shoot beyond line-of-sight vistas, follow subjects across sweeping terrain, and capture wide-angle cinematic shots with minimal signal drop or lag. On the software features front, the Neo 2 appears to bring a full slate of DJI's signature creative tools. Active tracking, which identifies and follows subjects like people, vehicles, or pets while automatically avoiding obstacles. Ideal for vloggers, cyclists, travel content creators, and social media-focused pilots. The inclusion of quick shots such as drone, circle, helix, and perhaps even custom waypoints means automated cinematic camera moves can be done with one tap. which lifts this drone into the category of content creator-friendly tools. For advanced flyers, the presence of a manual acro mode also hints at the ability to perform flips, rolls, and more advanced aeronautic maneuvers, giving the Neo 2 a dual personality, beginner-friendly automation, yet with room for creative manual piloting. The automatic return-to-home safety feature rounds out the package, offering peace of mind when battery levels run low or signal drops unexpectedly, a reliability factor content creators appreciate when working in remote or uncontrolled locations. Pricing and configuration options are equally important, and early leaks suggest DJI will position the Neo 2 in multiple bundles to address different segments of the creator-hobbyist market. The base Fly Solo bundle reportedly starts at around US $229, making it accessible for beginners or entry-level users looking to step up from smartphone aerials or older drones. The Creator Combo, around US $299, includes the drone, 2 batteries, and the RC-N3 remote, catering to content makers planning longer sessions or multi-battery shoots. An FPV starter bundle, roughly US $399, is said to add a Motion 3 controller and goggles adapter for those interested in immersive flying experiences or who want to dabble in first-person view style adventure filming. Finally, the Fly More Kit bundle, priced around US $449, is tipped to include everything: extra propellers, a charging hub, a carrying case, and maybe ND filters or other accessories, making it the most complete package for travelers or shooting teams. These tiered bundles ensure the Neo 2 can appeal to a broad spectrum: newbies who care about ease of use and portability, as well as ambitious creators who want cinematic quality and optional FPV immersion without stepping into full professional rigs. When you compare the Neo 2 to its predecessor, the original DJI Neo, or other drones in the lightweight category, the documented advancements feel like a genuine generational jump rather than a modest refresh. The larger 1.3 sensor, the 10-bit 4K capture, the hybrid stabilization, the upgraded transmission system, and omnidirectional sensors all point to a drone built for the modern content creator environment. That said, it's also wise to benchmark alternatives in the same class before making a purchase. For pure portability and social media quick shots, models like the Hover X1 remain highly convenient with foldable design and automated shooting modes tailored for selfies or short reels. On the other side, budget-focused models such as the Potensic Atom offer respectable 4K recording, 3-axis gimbals, and smart flight features, making them suitable for casual filmmakers who don't require ultra-lightweight or premium image specs. Within the DJI ecosystem, if you are stepping up and willing to sacrifice a little portability for more advanced sensor size, better low-light performance, and longer flight time, the DJI Mini 5 Pro becomes the natural next-level choice, bringing features still above what the Neo 2 promises while retaining the travel-friendly form factor. In totality, the DJI Neo 2 seems poised to redefine what an ultralight, registration-friendly drone can deliver in 2025, an unmatched fusion of portability, high-spec image quality, intuitive creator-centric features, and travel-friendly design. If the final product aligns with the leaks and expectations, the Neo 2 could very well claim the title of Best Sub-250-gram Drone of the Year, offering creators and adventurers alike a remarkably capable tool for storytelling from the sky. With its launch date drawing near and the leaks already making waves among drone enthusiasts and content creators, the DJI Neo 2 has captured widespread anticipation, setting a new benchmark for compact aerial platforms in the creator economy.